I just love food. I love to experiment. I am constantly cooking all day. Sometimes I don't even have free time to myself. My name is Tiffany White, and I am the head chef here at Wyndham Alumnae House. Working with this team here at Bryn Mawr is excellent. I feel like we are family, and we get the job done. It means a lot to me to be from Philly. Growing up, different American dishes and things like that, we just always kept certain recipes in the family. I have like a bloodline of chefs that I've learned a lot of things from. My dad is one of them. He's like one of those chefs that yells a lot. Like, what are you doing? You over here, you over there. He passed September the 23rd of this year. Yeah, sorry. We actually spoke right before he passed about me getting the position, and he was just like, oh my God. Like, as in, he gave me that reflection of like, you made it, kind of like, oh, you're there, like where you need to be. The connection with my dad through cooking means a lot to me. I feel like it's keeping me going. I've came a long way to get here. So when I got my time here to shine, it was like, oh, this is the time for them to see that you're really good. Some of the dishes that I've introduced is the lemon pepper salmon, stuffed chicken, and that consists of broccoli, cauliflower, carrots, just a little blend of everything. And then we have some pound cake with strawberry topping. We have that for dessert. I would like to bring forward some different dishes, Chinese, Asian food, a little bit of Jamaican food. My favorite part of working here is my peers. I love to cook, but my peers, they just make it so much easier for me. They make me feel comfortable here, and it allows me to do my jobs. They welcome me before I even knew I had the job. So it's not really a big difference from work and home because we're all like family.